I'm Chad Briscoe. I'm the Executive Director of Bioanalytical Science at PRA Health Sciences. And gene therapy is development of drugs and treatment of patients using treatments that affect the DNA in the cells. So as gene therapy has emerged as a treatment in the pharmaceutical industry, it's coming into clinical trials. And in the clinical trials, often we need to monitor PK or biomarkers related to gene therapy treatment, very much like we've had to do for traditional small molecules and biologics. And therefore, laboratories who have traditionally done PK and biomarker assessments in clinical trials are now having to adopt new technologies such as gene therapy technologies, qPCR and flow cytometry related technologies to monitor the gene therapies. Well, in the gene therapy space, I've been personally fascinated by the concept of CAR T cells. The thought to pull blood out of a person's arm and to treat the cells in that blood and change them and essentially train them to fight a disease and then put that blood back in the person and have it be a cure for cancer is amazing. I think it's probably one of the most exciting treatments that I've seen in my 20 plus years career in the pharmaceutical industry. When we started organizing the cell and gene therapy workshop, we knew that there were a lot of different conferences that do cover this topic. And so I was really excited that the committee wanted to try to do something a little bit different. And so what we wanted to do is take 2 days and look at the gene therapy space, the cell and gene therapy space, and what are the exciting new developments, and then take it to the second day where we're going to talk about how do those gene therapies actually go from development and concept all the way through the process to launching and commercializing. So we're trying to cover a lot of territory in a couple of days, but it's exciting and it's some space that I haven't seen talked about at other conferences. The reason I got involved is because I see this as a very important space in my area of expertise within bioanalysis in the pharmaceutical industry. So I'm not an expert on cell and gene therapy, but I'm there to learn, and I've really enjoyed having the opportunity to interact with world-class experts that are on the planning committee, and now seeing the speakers that are coming and the attendees that are starting to sign up. I'm really excited. For me, it's a huge learning opportunity and a chance to interact with great people. I hope it holds the cure for these diseases, and I see gene therapy as being a place where we're no longer treating symptoms, we're curing diseases. And I think gene therapy can be that space.